You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. There's going to be different languages, different pronunciations depending on the language that you use, different pronunciations. There's the French version of the name, female given name. In French it's said as Nicole, Nicole, Nicole. So in English this is why the pronunciation, English pronunciation, is as Nicole, Nicole. The stress is on the second syllable. How to pronounce Nicole, Nicole. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.